The energy crisis the United States is facing is not what you think it is, and it's actually going to be pretty catastrophic unless they can get their hands on this one precise resource. Now, you want to be involved with the absolute best performing commodity in the world right now, and oil, by the way, is not even remotely close to being this commodity. Check out this price chart. You're rarely going to see anything like this. Look at this. The United States does not produce, refine, or process lithium whatsoever. In fact, China, Australia, and Chile are the lithium empires of the world. But Chile and Argentina, for that matter, comprise the lithium triangle, as it's known, which is the Saudi Arabia of lithium. Now, in fact, if lithium continues to position itself as the most critical, crucial, and essential component of the global transition to EVs, the Middle East and its turf wars over oil must be a thing of the past. It might go back to the 1980s, like Dallas. You ever watch the TV show Dallas? Like battle over oil, right? That's going to be gone because Chile and Argentina are sitting on trillions of dollars in future profits from lithium that's still in the ground. Now, if you take the number that BYD, which is a Chinese company partially owned by Warren Buffett, and then you have Mineras del Norte, they paid for the right to produce and sell 80,000 metric tons annually for the next 20 years in Chile. And you understand that the contract they just signed guarantees them no lithium at all, in fact, just the right to produce and export the lithium if and when they discover the deposit. Think about that. It comes to $61 million for BYD and then $60 million for Mineras del Norte. Now, just do some math on this. This works out to $750 per ton just for the right to produce it, not even to actually extract the lithium. Now, I want you to look at Lithium Chile's 43101 resource report on the Arizaro lithium project. That's the one I'm most excited about out of the dozens and dozens that I've been presented with over the past few years. You're going to see that they have an existing resource of 1.4 million metric tons. And that's based just off of one well, just one well. Now take that $750 I was telling you about just a few moments ago, and I want you to multiply that times 1.4 million tons. Then multiply that times 60%. That's the ownership stake of Lithium Chile. Divided by Lithium Chile's 159 million shares at $4 a share. That's what you get. You get $4 a share when you do that math. Now that simple investing formula proves that Lithium Chile could easily trade for $4 a share if the Chinese make an offer to management. But the stock right now is currently quoted at 63 cents a share. So the upside potential here is enormous. In fact, the second largest lithium producer in China recently became a strategic investor in Lithium Chile. Now let me say that again. The second largest lithium producer in China recently became a strategic investor in Lithium Chile. The massive upside is too good to pass, in my opinion. So I'm definitely a shareholder of Lithium Chile, and I want to see the company continue to drill in 2022 and begin to start pursuing ways of unlocking the value of the resource that they're already onto. Now, the company has started their phase 2 drilling program aimed at increasing their resource and proving up the lithium grade that they're working on right now. The results from their next well are expected soon. I'm very excited about that. And I want you to understand how the lithium industry is in its infancy right now. And then I'm going to talk about Lithium Chile's potential to rally from 63 cents to $4 a share. That's a 539% move. Now, I say that because the Chinese are viewing lithium as a matter of national security, guys. And when you start to dive into this data, you realize just what momentum we're seeing in the EV space and with lithium specifically. Now, the chairman of China's largest electric vehicle battery manufacturer is urging their government to accelerate any and all lithium-related ramp-ups that are planned. Again, national security. And the United States is way far behind on this. Now, this Chinese CEO said the lithium must be included in China's overall national security planning. It can't get any clearer than that. A lithium boom is underway right now, and there are no ETFs that you can invest in. Okay, there's nothing like that. So when investors look at this lithium triangle and they're looking at ways to invest and diversify, they can understand the deep and extreme value of Lithium Chile. Now, and I put the stock ticker right up here on the screen. This is Lithium Chile's stock ticker. Do your own due diligence on it. Now, like insiders who own this stock, 43% of them are owned internally. We believe the upside potential is northbound for Lithium Chile. White oil, as it's called. It's in a secular bull market right now, and it's going to be driven by global demand for electric vehicles, which numerous state and national governments are incentivizing or requiring. You heard President Biden the other night during the State of the Union address. This is a major priority for not only the United States, but world governments. Elon Musk tweeting just this weekend that we simply don't have the resources right now. We need these resources. All of this adds up to an increase in demand for lithium. The company that is the only lithium holding in our portfolio right now is called Lithium Chile. Again, here are the stock tickers on your screen. And insider ownership in this country stands at 43% or 32 million. So you know that the management is advancing the company because it's in their best interest, right? They own the stock in their own company. Not only do I love this company itself, but I also believe lithium to be the hottest commodity of them all right now. Just look at the price over the last 5 years. I mean, a critical consideration in making Lithium Chile my sole investment in this sector is the price that companies are already paying for lithium resources and reserves. I mean, they're paying to have the right to pay for the lithium. That's amazing. Couple what I just said with the analyst report that was just published, giving the company a price target of over $1.50 per share. And you can see why I'm incredibly bullish in many ways. And one of my strongest catalysts right now are the incredible drilling results that the company just published. So price target and also these catalysts driving my incentive for this stock. The stock is currently trading for under $1. Guys, my stock picks over the past few months have been on fire. I mean, we're talking 50 and 100% increase in my picks over the past few months. This stock is currently trading for under $1. This is the time for you to go and research this company. It's Lithium Chile. Do your own due diligence. I'll have a link in the description below so you can see the stock ticker and dive into their financials. And let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below. We'll see you next time, everyone.